This is HTML lesson number 41. In this lesson, we will place a control on our web page. This control will enable people who find our web page to interact with us. So let's go ahead and open up the last web page we were working with. And if you will recall correctly, the name of that web page was form.html. So let's go ahead and click File, Open, and then we will open up the My Documents folder, find the HTML student folder that is inside the My Documents folder. We're going to open up the HTML student folder, and when we do, we're going to find form.html. I think this code will look quite familiar to you. Now we're going to focus this. Hang on. Camera's being a little stubborn tonight. Stand by, folks. You've got to be kidding me. Okay. It is often frustrating to work with a tripod like this, but we got it done. All right. We're going to place tags between the form tags. What tag are we going to place? Well, we are going to place input tags. Okay. Now, do you remember in a previous video when I called these elements? Okay, do you remember also when I talked about, or actually discussed, attributes? Okay. All right. We now have to add an attribute to this element in order for this to work correctly. All right. And when we do that, we're actually going to save it like this. Okay. Then we have to hold on here. All right. Now you're going to open up the HTML student folder. You're going to click form.html. And look what appears. A text box. You can type things in this text box. Let me show you what we can do with this thing. I can put my name in here. Just like that. You can put anything in there. Now you say, well, wait a minute. How are we, the web page creators, going to get the information that the user places in that text box? Well, I'm going to explain that in a future video. But at least now you know how to place a text box onto your web page. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.